You just say it's an element or compound. Do you know what an element is?
No.
Do you know what a compound is?
Just act like I don't.
Okay. Okay, oh, you do? Okay, cool. Let's get started. So, element or compound? Number 1, ozone.
Hold on. The ozone.
Yes.
Does anybody else know that?
Ooh, nobody's saying anything.
Trying to get people
I
to
picked
fight
the
each
hardest ones, you know. Oh, Danielle says compound. Would you agree with her?
other. Well, I mean, I know what element and compound
Your
is.
brother says
Gonna win
compound.
this fucking game. Explain what the difference is because I'm confused.
Oh, Graham's confused. You might want to explain
Well,
the
he's a
difference.
fucking computer. You should know the difference.
Well,
But anyway, okay. An element is composed of one kind of atom, right? It's only one thing.
one atom.
A compound is a combination of 2 or more different elements. So it's like sodium chloride. That's a compound. Form
Okay.
table salt, right?
Right. Kind of like...
But like oxygen is just O. And it just exists. You know, it can be combined or not. But it's not a compound.
Right.
Right?
Correct.
So what is ozone?
Compound.
Okay, so your brother said compound, Danielle said compound,
We're going to go compound. All three of us.
and all 3 of you are wrong.
Fuck you, we're correct.
No, you're not. Ozone is actually O3.
03.
O3. So I can draw you the
You
simple...
told me that there's 2 choices. Compound or element. Right?
Compound or element, yes.
Now, why are you saying there's... Oh, there's 3. What's the third option?
None. Element or compound.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what ozone looks like. 3 oxygens binding together, right?
Yeah.
That's the stuff in the top of the atmosphere that absorbs most of the UV light.
Okay.
But anyway. Everybody's like, damn and fuck. Anyway. Number 2. Propane.
So that's going to be compound. You said is multiple and element's just one.
Yep.
I say element.
Say element. Let's see if you can get any help from the comments.
Okay.
Propane is an element. Oh, your brother says compound.
Well, let's see.
Do you
what
trust
it
your
is.
Fuck,
brother?
I got it wrong too. Suck a dick's cod. Seriously.
Seriously.
Well, okay, so Dustin's saying compound, I say element. Danielle, do you have any guess? John, are you still awake? Graham? Well,
Any
Let's
other
see.
listeners?
I say, put me down. Compound's multiple things, and propane's just a gas, right? Just one gas. There's nothing mixed in it.
It can be a liquid and gas.
Propane can?
Mhm,
Propane,
in a
propane can be a
tank.
liquid?
Yeah. It can be gas and liquid in the tank.
Mm.
But if you just release it in the air, it's gas.
Fuck, I'm gonna go compound then.
Compound?
Yeah.
Well,
I should have stood with my first one, right?
no, you were right.
What?
Yeah, it is a compound.
Oh, it is?
Propane.
Okay.
It's a C3H8. So 3 carbons in the middle and then 8 hydrogens surrounding it. It's a very beautiful model, I might add. This is my geek side coming out. But
Very beautiful, huh?
yeah. And what do you use propane for?
Pretty much your heat and gas and
And
that's-
cooking. Yep.
Cooking, yeah.
Yep.
Um,
So
that's the basic one of propane. You can use a propane grill too. Yeah, cooking. So
propane tank grilling,
Yeah.
you know.
that's the only.
So-
Yeah, go ahead.
But when you burn propane, can you guess what is made?
Food. Just kidding.
Oh yeah, kind of, yeah.
Burgers.
But in a chemical reaction with propane and oxygen is a combustion one.
Yeah.
So whenever you have fire, you're combining oxygen with something. So when you burn propane and oxygen, you get water and carbon dioxide. Did you know that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? Because I just told you?
Yep.
Oh, cool. Thanks. All right. So,
No, Scott, I'm a major chemist. I know all this shit. Just making sure you know your stuff and explain it correctly.
bitch, I know what I'm talking about.
That's so far, so good, yes. You're doing good,
All
Scott.
right.
Little did you know, this is a quiz that's aimed towards you.
Yeah. I made this quiz for myself. But anyway, number 3, sulfate.
Sulfate.
Element or compound?
Oh, fuck, I don't even know what sulfate is.
Fuck you, John.
Good job, John. Scott is an asymptote major.
And yes, I am a chemistry major. You can call
have
me a
that
nerd
degree?
if you want.
You have that
Yeah,
degree?
your brother called me a nerd. Which is pretty cool.
Danielle says element for this one.
And your brother says compound.
Compound.
Who do you trust?
Sulfate.
Sulfate.
Fuck, I don't know what sulfate.
Ooh, your brother gave you a
Sulfur is an element. Sulfur is an actual Slipknot song. Fuck face. No, I'm just kidding.
Sulfur's a song.
Sulfur is a Slipknot song, though. But
So they gave you a hint. Sulfur
I'm
is an
breathing in elements. They should say that instead of sulfur. Or if it's a compound, then
well, most of the air is nitrogen, so
well, that doesn't. We're not talking about nitrogen.
yeah, we're talking about sulfate.
Yeah. So fuck you.
Yes, fuck me.
Let's see. I'm gonna go element.
So your final answer.
That is my final fucking answer.
Sulfate is a compound.
You know what, Dustin? I went towards you, and now I'm just gonna go the exact opposite way you said.
So
You know how, like, when, you're watching SpongeBob and that Krusty Krab pizza episode, and they're stranded out in the wilderness, and SpongeBob's talking to Squidward about how the side that there's moss on the rock, that's pointing towards civilization. Well, whatever way Dustin says, I'm going the opposite way. So you think it's element? Well, I'm going compound.
well, I'm going magic.
Yeah.
But anyway, fun fact about sulfate.
Mm-hmm.
It is a strong acid when 2 hydrogens are combined to it. And you know what happens when sulfuric acid touches your skin?
Sulfuric acid touches your skin. It'll probably start eating away at it, right?
Yes, it eats away at your skin faster than when you pour water on it. You can dilute it. So either way, you're fucked.
Yeah.
You get a ton of it on your arm or wherever.
Sounds like it'll fuck you up, for sure.
Yes.
But
And, yeah, I've seen some gruesome pictures on that. You don't want to see them.
Good night, Squidward.
Good night, SpongeBob. Good night, SpongeBob.
All right.
Good night.
okay, go ahead. I really have to pee, really badly.
All right. We'll do
So how
this-
many questions do we have left? I'm not trying to rush it.
7.
7? Okay, I can hold it.
All right. Well, we'll do this one, then we'll do a break and then come back.
Okay, then
All
you
right.
guys can study up on your fucking shit.
Yeah, just look up every.
Dustin's trying to get a point going on right now. He's like, no, dumbass, I said sulfur is an element. Sulfate is a compound. Okay, sulfur. Oh, you said. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, he gave you a hint.
Alright. Well.
But anyway, 4th one.
Alright, Dustin, I stand corrected. I'm sorry.
So this question before our break, second break. Diamond. Is that an element or compound?
I have to say compound. Wait, or element's one single thing, compound's multiple.
An element is one single
Element.
type of thing.
Yeah.
And a compound is a combination of 2 or more different elements. So diamond is what?
Element.
Element?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm sorry. I'm reading all the comments.
Oh.
Your brother says element, and Danielle says element.
So we're all going element?
I don't know.
Zach, you're a dumbass. Fucking read your comments correctly next time.
Okay, Graham.
Thanks
Sorry.
for the update. So we're all going with element.
Yeah, element.
You are correct.
fuck yes.
Do you know what diamond is made out of?
Compounds. No, I'm just kidding.
Starts with the same letter.
Diamond's a rock, right? Technically.
You could say that, yeah.
Yeah.
They're made out of carbon atoms,
Mhm.
which is the same as some other stuff. But with diamond, carbon atoms are arranged tetrahedrally,
Uh huh.
isn't it? And it's weird. When it's tetrahedrally arranged, it becomes one of the hardest substances on Earth.
Yeah, because diamond's.
But when
like
it's
one of the strongest
charcoal,
things, right?
yeah, when it's charcoal, it's easy to break,
Mhm.
but it's easily combustible. All right, so let's take our break. You can do your studying.
Well, let's go one more.
One more.
Yeah, I can do that.
All right, number 5 is holmium.
Holmium.
HOLM.
Why do you do the most hardest things known to man?
These are basic. Chemistry class.
Yeah. Well,
I don't know. I want to see your reaction.
holmium. Does anybody else know this one?
Compound, bitch. And if you say element, I'm going to punch you in your fucking asymptote face.
Directed at me or you?
Well, I mean, you said your asymptote face, and I don't have an asymptote face.
Oh.
Danielle's going compound. I'm gonna stick with. I want to go with compound as well.
All of you said compound.
Yeah, we're all gonna go compound. And we're gonna take a break after this because I really do have to pee, and I hate to
All right.
put you guys out.
I'll
But
give you the answer after the break. No, I'm just kidding. It's an element.
it is.
Yep.
So we all got it wrong.
Yep. Non-radioactive. It only has one isotope.
Are
There's
you?
not much.
You're
known
fucking
about
with
it.
us right now, and I don't like it.
No, look it up. HO. On the periodic table.
Look up a hoe. How much does
Yeah,
that cost?
$75 for a short stay.
Not according to Josh in that one episode. How his ex-girlfriend was like $4 for an hour.
But yeah, holmium is an element, non-radioactive, and not much is known about it because it's not
Right.
common.
So you guys staying around? You're not going anywhere. Only stick around. We only have 47 minutes left of the show. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna get a drink real quick, and we'll be back. I'm only gonna take one song break, so I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I'm also gonna play one of my friend's bands as this next song for our break. So tell me what you think of it.
Boo.